Okay, so the easiest way to do this, and you can already see I've messed around with this worksheet because this is the first time I've done Hebrew, and wow, cool. So let me show you where you're going. Let me change my keyboard to Hebrew first. So I'm just doing a left alt and a shift.
Latin American, Hebrew
Okay,
Standard.
so he's Hebrew, and I'm going to do an insert Control S.
Select a voice profile dialog. Default, Cambon Dax.
Just hit H for Hebrew, and I've already done that. And I'm going to
Tab, for E
hit
is Yod.
H for Hebrew.
Yod. Ilak Sapi
Yeah.
Ham
I've used
Sapi
the arrow
Voke
keys
Hebrew.
because, of course, I don't know my Hebrew keyboard, and I was hitting H, and it doesn't work. I've just got to keep that in mind. So hit Enter.
Enter.
Okay, so let's go ahead and move around so you can see where the student is going to go with this. So let me
Alt Tab.
put into focus.
Alt Tab. Worksheets for 1. בסוף המסיבה אני רק עם עצמי.
Yep, I have no idea what that says. So let's go ahead and arrow and move through.
רווח. קוף. רש. רווח. יוד. נון. א'. רווח.
I'm hoping the Hebrew teacher is looking at this going, wow, that is great. I'm really hoping that's what she says. Anyway, I'm going to down arrow to the line, and as you can see, I was playing with the key.
חד הלך.
So let's play with the Hebrew keyboard.
שין. ד'. ג'.
I have no idea what I'm typing. Okay, so let me take you through, Dad, how you're actually going to install this language. I will turn off JAWS now, as well as the language and the keyboard. So let me just insert F4.
שדג. Unloading JAWS. Quit JAWS dialog.
Oh, actually,
Escape.
I need to change this, otherwise Alt, left Alt and Shift.
Us.
Okay, us, American, and then now I can
Unloading
get out.
JAWS. Enter.
Otherwise, I'm going to have a Hebrew keyboard, and I'm going to be stuck. Okay, so you're going to go up to the review, and you go ahead and go to language. Now, you're going to do this after you set all of this up. You can temporarily set it up by going this route. You're going to go to File, you're going to go to Options, and you're going to go to Language. And you can see that it is not enabled here, but you don't really need to enable it here. You only need it in the display language. But go ahead, you're not going to hurt anything. So hit your add language here, and you're going to hit H for Hebrew and enter, and you're just going to add it. Now, the first time I actually did this, because I had to remove it so I could actually show you how to do it, this will be unenabled, and when you click enabled, it's automatically going to bring you to your language settings box, okay? I'm going to have to force that now because I've already removed this and I've reinstalled it so I could actually do the video for you. So I'm just going to hit my start key, and I'm going to go to language, and I'm going down to edit. Now, like I said, all of this is automatically going to open for you the first time you do it. Now you can already see I've added the language, and there is Hebrew, and I'm going to go to my options. And I've already added the keyboard, and I've added the Hebrew standard keyboard in full. Like I said, when you first go in here, you are going to actually select all of those options, okay? Now, you're going to see not installed right here. When you click not installed, it will take you to the language pack. And I've lost that option because, of course, I've already installed it. But it's going to open up the internet, and you're going to see the drop-down menu. Just install Hebrew there because she needs options. Once you've installed all of this, you need to restart your Office, okay? Well, I've already done all of that. And as you saw, it works perfectly. And then when she's by herself and she needs to switch to Hebrew, she's going into Hebrew class, she's going to hit her Alt, she's going to hit R for review, she's going to hit U, and she's going to check her languages just in case they're not working. But they should, because you've set up your keyboard. But I can already tell you this is technology and you have hiccups. So she just needs to hit enter on that and make sure Hebrew is selected and that detect language automatically is there. And we will take her through this, so you don't have to worry about this part. You just need to make sure it's set up, okay? And then she's just going to hit her left Alt, and it does need to be the left Alt and the right Shift, and it will automatically connect. So what you're going to need to do is, and I guess my internet's closed, so start key 3. I'm going to open my internet. And you're going to need to go to Freedom Scientific. So go ahead and type in freedomscientific.com, and you're going to open this up. You're going to go to downloads, and you're going to go to synthesizers, and this one's going to take you a little bit longer. Okay, I want the Vocalizer Expressive. Okay, so come down here to your synthesizer, and I want the Vocalizer Expressive version 2. And then you're going to go to the next language box and just hit H for Hebrew. And you only have one option: download the premium high version. So once you download this, and if you go up to your dialog box, you're actually going to see your dialog there. Go ahead and just double click it and then run it through, just run through the wizard. And then when I am together with her, I'll get all the language options set up, and I will actually move her through that lesson that her teacher sent her, and I'll go over the keyboard. I'm hoping by then the Hebrew keyboard can actually be brailled out for her, so she can refer to that. I do not know Hebrew, so I will not be able to help her with that keyboard. I'm going to send this to the language teacher also, and so she can have a cheat sheet copy, and she'll be able to help her too. Okay, so that's what I need you to do. Once again, just go to your file, options, and your language, and go ahead and get Hebrew installed. And once you restart your Word, you're going to see it down here also. And as long as English is in the priority, you should be fine. And then click OK. And then to go to Freedom Scientific, and then download your Vocalizer Expressive version 2 Hebrew, and she should be good to go. Yeah, this will be fun. Okay, thank you.